How to turn on off all sensor on your Samsung Galaxy A56. Open your setting and go to the bottom about phone, then go to the software information. I actually want to enable the developer option. Tap the build number 7 times, then press on OK. Go back, then your developer option is enabled. Now open your developer option. Now scroll down, then you can see quick setting and developer tiles. Select this one, then press on sensor on. If you once your sensor is on, if you open your control panel, then you can see sensor option. If you press on it, then all sensor will be turned on. And once you disable this option, then if you go back to your control menu, no sensor option. So that's it. You just need to enable sensor option. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.